Checking you've selected the correct size cable. Warmfloor's recommended method to ensure you've the correct size cable is to calculate the length of the cable required. To calculate this length, start marking out your cable spacings. We recommend a starting point of
150
millimeters from a wall or 100 millimeters from a toe space. Continue marking across the floor at 80 millimeter spacings. For colder climates, this can be reduced down to 60 millimeters to ensure more heat output. It's important to maintain the same spacing throughout the heated area to achieve an evenly heated floor. Using a tape measure, measure the length of each run. Multiply this length by the number of runs required in each section and make note of each calculation. Add each section's calculation together, then add the width of the room by 2 to obtain the total length of the cable required. Check this length against the length printed on the cable box packaging. Ideally, the length of the cable chosen is slightly longer than what you have calculated. The length of cable required for this demonstration bathroom was 52.7 meters. However, the cable chosen was a 700 watt, which is only 51.7 meters. Deleting the cable run immediately in front of the bath gains an extra 3 meters, making the cable chosen approximately 2 meters longer than required. Should the cable you've selected be too long, recalculate your lengths with 60mm to 70mm spacings, and often the cable will fit using these revised measurements. It's extremely important to understand that the cable must never be cut to achieve the length you require. If the cable you have cannot be fitted using the spacing guidelines of 60 to 80mm, refer to your installation manual for other sizes available.